Hey everyone, and welcome to the Central Florida Backyard Explorer. My name is Wyatt, and I'm the explorer behind the camera. On this channel, you can expect to see all types of content exploring the great outdoors of Central Florida. If you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can follow along as we explore Central Florida together. This is the first episode of a new series called Birds in the Backyard. A series where I will be showcasing all the birds I can find behind my house here in beautiful Orlando, Florida. Today's episode will feature 3 awesome species I saw during an afternoon walk on July 13th. First up is none other than the Great Blue Heron. Who doesn't love a Great Blue Heron? I snagged footage of this one right after they caught a fishy afternoon snack. You can see how they are struggling to swallow the fish as it quite literally fights for its life in the heron's mouth. I've seen great blue herons around this pond several times, and this is the second time I've been lucky enough to actually catch them eating a live fish. Nothing like a nice drink of water to wash down a big meal. While I was watching my heron friend, a little blue heron got curious and decided to fly over and perch on a tree next to me to observe what was going on. I've seen a few little blue herons over here, but my guess is they prefer the other ponds nearby, since this is my third sighting of one in 11 months. Did you know that young little blue herons start out all white in their plumage, and while molting into their adult plumage, they may appear calico with white and blue patches? I saw one just like this just last month. Standing at the corner of this pond the whole time, totally unbothered, was a pair of Sandhill Cranes. I am very familiar with this pair as they are around here almost every day. Our first introduction was them landing in my backyard and helping themselves to my brand new bird feeder. Definitely not the birds I was expecting. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what was your favorite species I saw today. And if you enjoyed watching these birds as much as I did and want to see more, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified about all of my birding adventures. This is your Central Florida Backyard Explorer signing off. Till next time.